Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to change the air filter on your vehicle. Your vehicle needs clean air as much as you do. The air filter must be replaced as part of routine maintenance and efficient running. Now, breathe in, breathe out. Let's take you through the simple steps to change your air filter. With a few basic tools, it's fairly quick and simple. 1. Make sure you have all the supplies available. You'll need a new air filter, a screwdriver or a socket depending on the filter housing, and a soft brush or cloth for cleaning. 2. Find the air filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box in the engine compartment with clips or screws holding it in place. In this case, it's screws. 3. Remove the cover from the air filter housing by unscrewing it. Then carefully remove the old air filter inside. Look at the condition of the air filter. If it's dirty, like this, it's time to replace. 4. Let's get cleaning. We need to clean the air filter housing with a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dirt or debris. 5. Now you can install the new air filter. Make sure that it's secure and seated properly. 6. Go ahead and replace the air filter housing by securing the clips or screws. As we said, in this case, it's screws. And you're done! But even so, it's always a good idea to test. So start the engine to ensure that it's properly installed and running smoothly. Remember to always follow the specific instructions for your vehicle, as procedures can vary depending on the make and model of your car. You'll find these and other detailed instructions in your owner's manual. Sharing is caring, and when you know, you know. Get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands.